got, Kaylee? Ah? Do you got papers? Do you got coupons? Are you gonna go shopping? Are you gonna go shopping? Yeah. Oh, it's so cool. It's so cool. Ooh, pretty. Yeah. I see. I see your pretty coupons. Is it stuck to your hand? What you doing? You gonna go stand up? No. You could be silly with your paper, huh? You gonna be silly with paper? Yeah. I see you. Where we going? That was a good crawl, boo-boo. Can you get up on your knees again? Huh? Oh, bigger piece of paper.